As you can read from the title, this is gonna be an unboxing video of, or maybe not unboxing or like unbagging video of the loot bag that we got from BeautyBoundAsia. Sorry, let me just I really wanted to see what's inside the box before I leave the house for some shenanigans. So I'm making this video for you guys. So this is the bag. And I think I'm gonna insert a few clips of the bag's journey from Manila to Davao. And this is how it looks right now. Wait, let me just see. Yeah, it's still in the frame. It's really, really big. Can you see that? Like against my face, it's like, it's really, really big. First of all, I'd like to thank BeautyBoundAsia for creating such a sturdy bag that could withstand traveling from Manila to Davao. This bag was really helpful and I could say it's really sturdy. This is, yeah, fresh from transit. And first is, I put my bag in my bag. And this bag is quite heavy. It's held up pretty well. It's really, really sturdy. And so this is first thing that's inside. I bet you don't have this in your loot bag, girls. And then the other one is mineral water. I also put this. So I got this at the airport. Really wanted to try this product inside for the longest time ever, but I've been holding myself back. And I was like, why am I holding myself back? I have the money and like I don't do it like very often. Boarding pass, and then when I entered the departure area, it was right there. Just like when you enter the departure area, the Mac store is just right there. So I was like, oh, there's one. I still got time. I gotta go inside. And I was like, I thought, should I buy? Should I not buy? I didn't really believe in like retail therapy before because I thought it's just a lame excuse that girls say so they can buy something for themselves. But lately I've been quite sad. Yeah, and I thought I should buy something for myself to make me happy, and it's quite effective. So yeah, I think retail therapy is yeah, really good. It's just that I didn't really have that extreme level of sadness before, so I didn't really need retail therapy. But now I can say that it's really effective. Yeah, it's good. I felt really good when I purchased it. She gave it to me. I was like, The first product from that brand is from Anissa, my friend. If you're watching this video, I still owe you something. Sorry if I have not finished it. But yeah, thank you, girl. You rock. I love you so much. I still got one last thing that's not beauty band related, and it is my itinerary receipt. Ta-da! And I'm gonna show you how it looks like inside. Ta-da! So it's not really very beautiful anymore. I tore this part, sorry. And then I got here my BeautyBound ID. It says BeautyBoundAsia with my name. So my real name is Paula Shana. It's not really XANA, it's just my Jejemon name or my internet name. But this is my real name, Paula Shana. I belong to the bonus group, so I thought, great, I'm gonna get a bonus product. So maybe I will. Let's see. We will see what's inside. So I hope I will get a bonus product because I'm from the bonus group. Yeah, it says BeautyBoundAsia. Read me first, in case you were wondering what to do with these bag full of products. It's not bag full though, it's just half full. But then as they say, it's like, you either see it as half full or half empty. So I see it as half full, so it's fine. And then let's open it. And the same thing. And then we'll read it. Unboxing challenge. So congratulations on becoming a semi-finalist for BeautyBoundAsia. Inside this bag is a haul of goodies. Is a haul of beauty goodies and creator tools to enjoy from the world's best beauty brands, YouTube, and more. So world's best beauty brands. So I know that the sponsor is SK2, but I'm wondering what other companies they paired up with for this tote bag, because yeah, they mentioned that it's from the world's best beauty brands. So we'll see. And then yeah, so basically just the instructions for the semi-finalists, and I'm not going to read all of these because I will just bore you. So let's just go straight to the unboxing. And again, I'll show you the dilapidated box. It says, "Do not open until you're ready to film." So, and it's torn. Sorry. Pulling out a rabbit out of the magic bag. So should I pull the pink part? Yeah, I can pull it. It's not really a box though, it's just a covering. Yeah, it's a cover. It's a cover. It's a cover. It's not a box. Yeah. Okay, so we're saying goodbye to that. Okay, this one. Right, let me just trap that in my armpit, or close that with my armpit, and it's an SK2 product. I'm not surprised though, of course. I'm expecting to receive a lot of SK2 products because they're the major sponsor. Something that I really want to get out of this bag though is their eye cream, because that is my problem area. That's really my, what do you call that, complex. I have severe under eye bags, under eye. Like, it's not really dark, but I have like severe eye bags. So I like to receive or get their eye cream. And if I sleep for 24 hours, I think I will still have eye bags. So it's something hereditary. So I'm trying my best to lessen the puffiness and the bag, but it's really hereditary. So I'm hoping that I will get an eye cream, and I'll stop chit-chatting or whatever. We'll move. Let's read this. SK2 RNA power. Like in school, it's ribonucleic acid. So does that mean that it will work at the chromosomal level? So it's like it can modify my genes. RNA power. Oh no, Shanna, you should keep reading. It's RNA, that stands for Radical New Age. Eye cream? Eye cream? I don't know. There's nothing written in here, so let's read. Wait. RNA power, Radical New Age. What is this? Is this an eye cream? Oh. After applying clear lotion and sensing a cream, once near the other, there's dot on the forehead, cheeks, chin, and gently spread. So I'm thinking it's like a moisturizer. It's not, because it's like cheeks like all over the face, not really for the under eye only, but yeah. Let's open it. Open. You got some Japanese thingy going on in there, so. Open. How to open this box. Yeah, I was a bit. I like the color because it matches me on my shirt. And then it looks so fancy. SK2, same thing. Yeah. What does that stand for again? Radical New Age. Yeah. It's still sealed though. I don't want to open it. Should I open it? I don't want to open it yet. I want to read about it first. But then, they have this spatula thingy for hygienic purposes. This is really good because I've had some products in jars before, and it's quite unhygienic to get it with your fingers, right? So this is really nice. Yeah, it looks so expensive. I wonder how much this costs though. I'm thinking of giving the products to my mom, or maybe I want to use it too. Maybe we could share. I think it will be nice for my mom, but I also want to try it, so maybe we can share it. Sharing is caring! So, yeah, this is the first box. Next. This is very light. Wait. I don't want to cheat, so. An empty box! What am I supposed to do with this one? Maybe we can wear it like this. This is quite cute. Yeah. Or maybe the content of this box is inside. And what are this? Wait. Oh! YouTube, BeautyBoundAsia, and a baller. So maybe, yeah, these are the contents of the box. Yeah, maybe. It says, I am a YouTuber. Yeah, I am a YouTuber. Let's wear that baller ID right there. Really, really cute. And then let's just put it here. And put, yeah. And then, I'm really getting conscious about this. I'm just gonna remove that. I'm gonna pick something else. Oh, it's a box with something inside, and it's another SK2 product. It's still from the same line. Oh, so maybe they're giving us this line for this kit, or for this bag. Again, RNA Power Radical New Age Essence. So the other one is like a moisturizer, and this one, or lotion, skin lotion, and this is Essence. So, after applying your lotion, dispense and covering mouth, 1 to full droplets of hands, 1 to full droplets, approximately 2 to 3 hours, 1 to your palm. Apply it to specific areas of concern. Over the whole face. So it's not eye cream still. I want eye cream. So it's an essence for the entire face, and it's in a dropper form, so we'll open. Oh, same material, of course, because they're from the same line. And no other thing inside, no applicator whatsoever. I just want to know what these products do. Maybe I have to Google that. I don't really know what they do. Are they like anti-wrinkle, whitening, or like collagen or something? But then again, it comes in this very, oh wait, I'm afraid to drop it, very luxurious bottle. And it says Radical New Age Essence, made in Japan, and it's still sealed. I don't want to open it yet, so just take a look at it like this. And I have to Google what it actually does. I think my mom is gonna be happy. I really want to share it though. I want to try it. Empty, I think. It's a box. Nothing. So maybe the contents are also still inside a bag. So we'll see what's that. But yeah, it's a box. What am I supposed to do with this one? Again, on top of my head, kind of looks like a ribbon. So maybe it's like a. There's a ribbon inside this, like a hair accessory. Or maybe this is like an accessory, like Lady Gaga-ish accessory. I can like tape this around my neck, and like I will look like an avant-garde chick or whatever. What else? Sunnies? We live in a tropical country. It looks like a tissue box too. Like I can put tissue here. Yeah, put a Kleenex in here and just pull out tissue. And then the slot or the opening is like too big for that. So I wonder what this is for. Let's move on. Let's move on. Hard plastic with a plastic. It's YouTube. YouTube? This is cute. What is this? Can I open? Open. How to open? Okay. Oh! It's a mirror. I like this. I like this. Oh my god, this is so cute. I hope I have more inside. I'd like to like give this kind of mirrors to my Davao besties who are also on YouTube. Yeah, it's a YouTube mirror. I like this. This is so cute. I'd like to have more of this mirror. Oh, I think I broke it though. Oh, no. It's so nice. I like this. Thank you. And then let's move on. Okay. Oh, it's a bigger box. It's a bigger box. What is this? And of course, I can't understand this side. Everything is in Japanese. So it doesn't have the RNA thingy. It says Pitera Essence Set. Doesn't have the RNA thingy, but I'm guessing it's still from the same line because of the packaging. And yeah, so it's pretty much very cohesive. Like they gave us one complete line of their RNA line. So that's good. Pitera. What is Pitera? I don't really know what Pitera is. So facial treatment clear lotion. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. What's this? Okay, wait. Okay. Oh my god, I'm afraid to drop it though. How? So, it's a different product, obviously. It's the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence and SK2 Facial Treatment Clear Lotion. And, wait, I don't want to drop it. Let me just put it, on my bed first. Oh, it's just a carton that I dropped. Don't worry, everything's fine. And I got the facial treatment mask. Yeah, just one mask. I love masks. I'm a mask hoarder. So this will be, but I don't know how much this costs. Usually I just buy Korean masks and they're like 50 pesos each. So I have to check how much this costs. If it's very expensive, I don't think I will ever use it. Or I will use it for a very special occasion. What is this? Oh, receipt. It's a receipt. This is not included. Sorry, I just dropped that in randomly. It's empty. Nothing else in there. Wait. There's a pink carton. Nothing else in there. It's empty. No eye cream! I want to get an eye cream. I wanted to get an eye cream, but I'm not complaining. I'm happy. It's a mess, guys. It's a mess. So messy. Wait. SK2 products, skincare products. I can't wait to try them with my mom. Of course, I'm going to share it with my mom. But it's a little bit tedious to use everything. I'm going to try my best. But, yeah. I really wanted to get an eye cream, though. Maybe I'll just savor it, or I'll try my best on the next challenges. Maybe they'll give out their eye cream on the next challenges, so I'd like to get that in the future. I belong to the bonus group, so I was hoping to get something extra. If you also joined BeautyBoundAsia and you got something as a bonus, please tell me what the bonus product is, because I don't really know. That's it for the unboxing video, and I hope that I can unbox more BeautyBoundAsia loot bags for you guys. And for that to happen, I hope you continue on watching my video and supporting my videos for this competition. Also show me some love by clicking the thumbs up button to like this video, and subscribe to my channel to see more from me. Also follow me on Instagram at xanapea. And what time is it? I'd like to say thank you to all of my newfound friends from YouTube. I can't name all of you guys because there's just so many of you guys, but thank you very much for the warm welcome and showing me around. That's it. I'm gonna stop talking right here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.